Greetings traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. It's Friday. And we got ourselves a little bit of a jump in the markets today. Dow up just a little bit, 0.5%. NASDAQ over 1%, nice to see. S&P about 1%, and the Russell's up, leading the group at 1.3%. And the VIX down 5%. We just saw it drop here. Check this out. We're in the 30s again. 39. That seems very low. Now, here we are, the S&P Daily. Taking a look at this. Check this out. Boom! Cracked through this resistance line today. And really, the last part of the day, man, we got a nice rally right at the end of the day. Let me show you this. 5-minute chart. There's my 5-minute chart on the S&P. Right at the end of the day. Bam! Closing at the day's high at 842. Nice to see. And something else I didn't mention just a minute ago, the Dow cracked 8,000. So we're up over 8,000 on the Dow. So, man, we popped through some nice resistance. Who would have thunk it? I would have thought we were going to hit our head and start the descent, but the market's still going up, even in the face of bad economic news. Huge unemployment numbers come out. And, I mean, the worst that we've seen since 1983. To put that in perspective, I was in 3rd grade. Now, wow. But in the face of that sort of bad economic news and for the markets to still show strength to go north, that tells us something. That tells us that we could be crawling ourselves out of this mess we've been in for the last year and a half. So I'm just telling you, the ideal time to get into the markets is with a big healthy pullback. We're just not getting it, not yet. Now check this line out that I have here. This line, this big blue line, goes here, here, and that's where we were yesterday. Boom, we popped through it. We still haven't made a higher high yet, but this 850 mark, I'll tell you, we needed to get over 840, 841. We did that. We're at 842. Really good chance on Monday. We're going to get up to 850 area plus, but 850 is going to be a resistance area. We have support here. Hang up around there a little bit of resistance right here, but the 850, nice whole round number, that's going to act as resistance if we get up there. So we'll have to watch that pretty closely here. And I was listening to Matador's video today, and it sounded like he was in GS, and I'm just letting you know that I did put a play on this. Well, let me show you what I was seeing. This is a 30-minute chart, little bull pullback pop, but what do we have right here? Big volume. That big volume and us crossing over the 20-day moving average, 200-day moving average, was kind of nice to see. The volume really didn't start coming in until the very end of the day, so we're not seeing a huge spike here. But I'd like to see some follow through next week on this. I thought next week would be very bearish. Now I'm sitting on the sidelines hedged because I don't know that we are going to go bearish. Not yet, at least. We're showing a lot of strength at this moment. I'll show you another trade that I showed you some time ago. I'm still holding Dow Chemical, DOW. And look at the volume that's been coming into it. Now, if you remember, see this accumulation taking place right here, these two spikes? Well, I happen to jump in on this day here. Let me blow this up so you can see this. And I did a video on this not too long ago, but I jumped in here. This is called a belt hold line reversal pattern. There's a couple other things I was seeing here that caused me to want to jump in. I think I got in around 680-ish area, and I'm still in this. I keep adding to my position, add more to it today. So let's see if this can keep going. I like this volume coming in. Very nice to see. And I am holding the SDS, which is the Ultra ETF, which is an inverse ETF to the S&P. So if the S&P does take a nosedive, this will pop 2 times that. So that's what I'm holding to hedge myself over the weekend, and that's what we're expecting. Now, listen, this weekend I will also be continuing the weekend edition. Very important information that will be coming out this weekend, so make sure sometime when you get around your computer over Saturday or Sunday, you come and watch the weekend edition here at freetrainingvideos.com and do some chatting. Take some time, kick back, and do some chatting inside the forums and start networking. Get to meet other traders. We're, you know, from around the country. We're a very friendly place, and we make sure of that. So we'd like to welcome everybody to freetrainingvideos.com, where the freedom to learn gives you the freedom to profit. Till next time, we'll catch you at freetrainingvideos.com.